Welcome to Zape Learning App.
Hello, little word detectives. Today we are going to learn about context clues. Context clues are hints in a sentence that help us understand the meaning of new words. Let's see how we can discover word meanings like real detectives. Look at this sentence. The cat was very frightened when it saw the dog. We might not know frightened. But look at the rest of the sentence. It gives us a hint. Frightened means scared. See, context clues help us figure it out. Here's another one. Liam ate the gigantic ice cream. What could gigantic mean? Look at the ice cream. It's huge. So, gigantic means very big. The flowers in the garden were beautiful, with bright colors. The words bright colors give us a clue. Beautiful means nice or pretty. Max was exhausted after running all day. The clue is, after running all day. Exhausted means very tired. Now it's your turn. Can you use context clues? Mia held the tiny puppy in her hands. Tiny means very small. The room was messy with toys everywhere. Messy means not clean. Leo was delighted to see his birthday cake. Delighted means very happy. Let's remember, context clues are hints in a sentence. They help us understand new words. Reading carefully makes us smart word detectives. Fantastic job, word detectives. Now you can find clues in sentences to discover the meaning of tricky words. Keep practicing, and you'll be context clue superstars in no time. Bye-bye.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.